Hello, everyone. Yes, this is me, Elio from Mondosol, live to guys. Like this video so more people can watch it. Subscribe to the channel, like the page, follow us on Twitter. So today we're comment down there. Where do you live? What's going on in your country? Where I live in Norway, there is a definitely Norway. They started 2 weeks ago opening schools, some school, just kindergarten and primary, and they also open up more shops. They always had not a total lockdown like in Italy. And so let's talk about what's going on YouTube, my friends. So here is what you can find, that basically this coronavirus outbreak is really hitting hard on United States, United Kingdom, Canada. And so if you look at the situation in India, I was just talking with one of my ex-colleague, Abhinav, today, and it seems like it didn't hit so hard in India, as well as other colleagues I had in Malaysia. They are still in the lockdown there until mid of May. But definitely, we're still in the middle of something big, and we are gradually going out, even though, I was checking up that the coronavirus, when is again the number of infected people going to hospital, and also the death rate is also increasing. So they are then going back. Solutions are not problem. So you have a lot of time to spend. You can watch the news. Robert Kiyosaki, it's definitely a channel I will suggest you to watch. And Robert Kiyosaki, it's written like this, has this can be an opportunity for many of you watching, young or old, if you know how to move from, you call it the left quadrant to the right quadrant. Now, what is the left quadrant, the right quadrant? It basically divided into four pieces, and then it puts on the left the employers, the self-employers, and then on the right, where he want you to move, is the business owner, big business owner, and the investors. So a lot of great ideas, high-paying jobs, remote working tips, how to work from home. YouTube, you have it for free right now, you're watching, so don't waste your me about 2 weeks going through the World Organization Health, several newspapers, and Association of Consumers, just to gather a lot of information. You can read it here. It's quite condensed, it's easy to read, and you can understand more if you should wear a mask, which kind of mask, because there is a lot of confusion out there. And now, for what I hear, in Italy, for example, they are giving for free not this one, which is the respiratory or ventilator mask, but this one, the surgical. So I do suggest to spend well your time, on like how to prevent the virus, but then as well how to get out of this situation, because you're gonna be in it. I don't know for how long. You probably have been it already for some time, but just it's time to work out with your mind. It's time for some family good time. It's not easy. There is a lot of tension. I know kids, many are scared, so they want them to be back, but try to, I don't know, watch Happy Days, try to really have some fun. And another thing I want to suggest you, learn. You can learn from Mondosol. We have an academy, the Mondemi. You can learn from Udemy or many other academy out there on the internet, and that's great for you to get out of this situation. Okay, so with that being said, I just want to say very very quickly that I want you to stay tuned, because we have a lot of content coming up. We have great interviews coming up as well. So this will be your chance to be involved and get the notification when you hit the ding, the bell.